In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from GO2BANK to Chime seamlessly. Whether you're new to using these banking apps or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process a breeze. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Chime app. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Move Money. It's usually quite prominent on the home screen, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. This option is your gateway to transferring funds, so go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll want to select Transfer from Other Banks. This is where you'll initiate the transfer from your GO2BANK account. Choosing this option lets Chime know that you're planning to bring funds over from an external source. Once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to select the accounts involved in this transaction. Now, choose your GO2BANK account as the sender. This tells the Chime app where the money is coming from. After that, select your Chime account as the recipient. Essentially, you're directing the funds from GO2BANK to land safely in your Chime account. This step is crucial for ensuring the money ends up in the right place, so double-check your selections if needed. With the account selected, it's time to enter the amount you want to transfer. Whether it's a small sum or a larger amount, type it in carefully. Be sure to verify that the number is correct, as an error here could delay your transfer or send the wrong amount. Once you've entered the desired amount, take a moment to review all the details. This includes ensuring that both the sending and receiving accounts are correct and that the transfer amount is exactly what you intended. When everything looks good, tap on Transfer. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction, so go ahead and do that. This confirmation step is essential as it finalizes your transfer request. And there you have it. Your money will be transferred from GO2BANK to Chime. Transfers usually take a few business days to process, so keep that in mind if you're planning around this transaction. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to guides. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy banking!